Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time I made a new video, but I am back, and today I got this toy from one of my friends. But before that, remember to like and subscribe to the video. Here it is. It says, paint your own dinosaur. Wow, this is cool. And yeah, we're going to be unboxing it. So guys, I opened it and wow, first we got this booklet. It's like a book with dinosaur explanation, if that's what it's called. It's really cool. It has lots of facts about dinosaurs. Wow. Then we have these two, what should I call them? Maybe palettes. And you could put whatever colors you want on the sides. And then if you want to mix any colors, you can use the middle to do that. We got two of these. And then we got this, if you are going to make any mess, when you're painting your dinosaurs, you don't want them to get on your floor. So that's why you should use this to prevent it from getting paint on your floor. Then we have lots of paint. We got lots of colors. See? Then we have another of these with 4 different types of paintbrush. Look, 4 different types. That is so cool. Then we got the dinosaurs. We got some white dinosaurs. I'm not going to show you all of them because they're white, but I will be coloring them on part 2. Look, there's a sauropod and some more dinosaurs. This is so cool. This is a pteranodon. Pretty cool. You can see that there's lots of details, but it's white. So I'm going to be painting it and it'll look more better. Yeah, that's all the dinosaurs. This one is probably one of my favorites. It's white. You can't really see it that good because it's white, but it's another sauropod. Whoa. And we got some other dinosaurs which I'm not going to really show you, but here they are. Then we got some really cool dinosaur stickers. Ooh. Then we got some habitats like trees and some fences and some rocky bays. There's 4 eggs. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs. Yeah, they're let's see how many trees there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 trees. Then we got some small dinosaurs. I actually already have some of these small dinosaurs. I am going to paint some of them the opposite colors. And then we got an apron. Really cool. It's like an elephant apron. I'll open it and show it to you. It's an apron. Whoa. Here it is. See? An apron. You don't want to make any messes, so you put on the apron. That is probably going to be the end of today's video, but on part 2 I will be painting some of these dinosaurs, and yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Bye!